Open the SoClean so that you can see inside of the chamber. Remove the old filter inside the SoClean by pulling the filter up and out. You can discard the old filter in the garbage. Remove all protective plastic and tape from the new filter. You may see some black particles on the filter or on your hands. This is normal from the settling during shipping and can be wiped off. Place the new filter into the SoClean. Resetting the SoClean should only be done after replacing the cartridge filter. Press and hold the manual and hourglass button simultaneously until you see a smiley face on the display. This means the reset is successful and your SoClean is now ready to use. Contact us. Visit SoClean.com. Call 1-866-501-3705. Email support@SoClean.com.